Hello, my name is some old guy with MS. Today, I want to talk about investing in Shopify. Now, I have to talk to my computer, so please excuse me while I pull up my notes. Start listening. Mouse grid. 3, 6, click, stop listening. Shopify. It's shop on the TSE. That's Toronto Stock Exchange. The price today was $757 and change. Let's see. The 52-week range has been I think it's 624 to 2,327 or something like that. So a huge range. The market cap is 117 billion. PE ratio 26.31, which I guess is okay. Seems a little low to me, but that's okay. Earnings per share, what is that? I think that's $28.81. Dividends, that's not available. Price to book is $8.23. Revenue per share, $37. Quarterly earnings growth, 41%. That's pretty high. And total cash is 78 billion. Cash per share is $62. Current ratio 12.15, which is very good. Book price per share $88. Operating cash flow 504 million. Shopify is a Canadian online e-commerce platform offering full service to subscribing retailers. It is the third largest in the world. It's very similar to Amazon. Analysts have a semi-strong buy on the stock with a stock price target of $1,965. 71.67% of shares are held by institutions, and 0.16% are held by insiders. Now, let me just look at this. It's a huge is a huge range. Market cap is pretty huge. Earnings per share, $28. That seems really good. Revenue per share, $37. Yeah, I don't know how that works, but there you go. Quarterly earnings growth, 41%. That's huge. Total cash of $79 billion. That's huge. Cash per share, $62. That's pretty huge. Current ratio of 12.15. I mean, that is very, very good. But book price per share, $88. I mean, those are all really good numbers. Operating cash flow, $504 million. I mean, that's pretty exceptional. Now let me get back to the video. Start listening. Muskrat 1, 6, click. Stop listening. As far as I know anyway, those are all really good numbers. I mean, essentially, this company is doing quite well. It's nowhere near bankruptcy. I'd say it's quite exceptional. It's doing very, very, very well. But the one thing I'm not very good at is evaluating, what the stock price should be. I mean, clearly, it should be well above the book price and well above the cash per share price. But how much, I don't know. The current price seems, I don't know, quite reasonable, I guess. But, well, I'll tell you something about this stock. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, it was quite high. I don't think it was at $1,800, but it was at $1,800 3 or 4 months earlier. But about 3 or 4 weeks ago, it started dropping. It was dropping and dropping. It got down to a low, started to come back, and I actually bought some because I thought, man, it was at almost 2,000. It's down to like whatever it was, $600 or $700, and it started climbing back up. I was very happy. And then last week, it started to go down again. And it's come down to what it's at today. And as far as I can tell, there's no reason for it to drop at all. And there really is no reason for it to climb back up, except it's probably worth way more than what it's at currently. with analysts putting its price target at almost $2,000. I think the stock is way undervalued, and I think if you have the chance, you should start accumulating some. Now, in the short term, there may be ups and downs. Try and buy as much as you can during a down. And I think at least within the year, you are going to do very, very well. If it goes from, basically $700 to $2,000, that's almost a three-bagger, which is very, very good. No one can argue with that. So overall, I like Shopify. I have put my money where my mouth is. And I got to say this, I'm not a financial analyst. I'm not a stockbroker. This is just my opinion and what I'm doing. But in my opinion, you should accumulate as much as you can. But go do what you want to do. If you like this video, please like, comment. I like comments. Share, and do all that good stuff. I would really appreciate it. So this is it. This is the end of the video. So stop. Yeah, that's the end. I gotta talk to my computer. Start listening. Start listening. Start listening. Mouse grid. 6. Click. Bye-bye.